Chapter 4. More on PowerPoint 2016. Chapter Ethics. Creating photo album, ink equations, screen recording, changing office theme, comments, smart lookup, ink annotation, viewing a presentation, rearranging slides, working with slide outline. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to convey new ideas and import information effectively. A slide is like a page in a presentation containing brief information that you want to communicate to your audience. In the previous class, you have learned many features that enhance the look of a presentation. In this lesson, you will learn some new feature of PowerPoint 2016 that makes your presentation more interesting. You will also know about various views in which you can create and organize your presentation. Creating photo album. Photo album is just PowerPoint 2016's term for inserting many photographs into a presentation all at once. It does not provide a way to insert online pictures directly. So, you should download pictures from your online storage and put them in a folder on your computer. This way, you can access all the pictures you want to include. On the Insert tab, in the Images group, select the New Photo Album option from the Photo Album drop-down menu. The Photo Album dialog box will appear. Click the File Text tab to choose images that you want to insert under the Insert Pictures from section. The Insert New Pictures dialog box will appear. Select the location and select as many pictures you need to insert in the album. As you click on the files, the pictures will be added under the Pictures in Album box. The preview of the picture gets displayed in the preview pane. You can rearrange pictures by clicking the up and down arrows below the Pictures in Album box. In the Album Layout section, open the Picture Layout box and choose the layout for the presentation slides. Now, choose a frame shape from the Frame Shape list. Once all the files have been added, click on the Create button. This creates a new photo album presentation. Advance your knowledge. You can also create the photo album in PowerPoint 2013 by following the above mentioned steps. Ink equations. This is a new feature using which you can add math equations into your presentation. Ink equation is easier to use if you have a touch-enabled device connected to your system. You can use your finger or a stylus to write equations directly on the screen and PowerPoint converts them into text. However, you can also use mouse to write the equations if you do not have a touch device to add ink equations. Step 1. Select the Insert tab. From the Symbols group, click on the drop-down arrow of the Equation button. Step 2. Select the Ink Equation option from the displayed list. Step 3. The Math Input Control dialog box appears. Bring the mouse pointer on the light yellow colored grid area. A small black dot appears. It is the cursor from where you can start writing the equation. Step 4. Now write the equation in the grid area. Once you are done, click on the Insert button present at the bottom of the dialog box. Step 5. Select the Erase tool from the toolbar at the bottom if required. Note: you can correct any part of the equation at any time by selecting the Select and Correct option from the Math Input Control dialog box. Screen recording. Step 1. Open a PowerPoint presentation. Step 2. Select the slide in which you want to add the screen recording. Step 3. Click on the Insert tab and select the Screen Recording option from the Media group. A small pop-up window appears at the top of the screen. Step 4. Select the screen area that you want to record by clicking on the Select Area button and then dragging the mouse to highlight the desired screen region. You may record a specific area or the full screen. Step 5. You can also turn on the audio option if you want to insert sound in your screen recording. Step 6. Now click on the record button to start the recording. Step 7. A countdown dialog box appears which indicates that the recording is going to start in a few seconds and displays the shortcut key combination Windows plus Shift plus Q to stop the recording. Step 8. When you are done with the recording, bring the mouse pointer to the top of your computer screen to show the pop-up window again. Step 9. Click on the Stop button to save the recording. The recorded screen video will get inserted into the current slide. You can move, resize or rotate the video and can also add special effects to it by using the Special Video Tools tab that appears on the ribbon. Changing Office Theme. Office 2016 provides you with 3 new themes that can be applied to PowerPoint 2016. Colorful, dark gray and white. By default, the colorful theme is applied, which shows the title bar, ribbon, background and other components in the orange color. Selecting a new theme will change the color of these components. Step 1. Click on the File tab and choose the options. The PowerPoint options dialog box will appear. Step 2. By default, the General tab is selected. Click on the Office Theme drop-down arrow on the right pane and select the dark gray option from the displayed list. Observe the change. Note: likewise, you can change the background of other applications of Office 2016 such as Word, Excel, etc. Comments. Comments are a great way to provide feedback to others about their presentation. They can also be used to collaborate and work together on a presentation. They are more likely sticky notes that can be added to an object, text, or to a whole slide. Comments in a slide can be turned on or off anytime. To add comments in a slide. Step 1. Place the cursor on the object text where you want to add comments. Step 2. Click on the Review tab and select the New Comment button in the Comments group. Step 3. A comment icon appears on the slide and the Comments task pane opens. Step 4. Type the comments and then click outside the comment box. Now close the Comments task pane. Step 5. In order to view the comment, either click on the comment icon on the slide or click on the Show Comments button in the Comments group or the Review tab. Short keys. To add comments in PowerPoint 2013, click on the Review tab and follow the same steps as you do in PowerPoint 2016. Smart Lookup. Smart Lookup is a new feature in Office 2016. This feature allows you to find the information for the selected word or phrase on the web using the search engine Bing. It does not force you to open up web browser every time you need a quick word definition to make use of the feature. Step 1. Select the word or phrase which is to be searched. Step 2. Click on the Review tab and select the Smart Lookup option from the Inside group. Or right-click on the selected word or phrase and select the Smart Lookup option from the shortcut menu. Step 3. The Smart Lookup task pane will appear on the right side of the slide with results from various online resources. It also contains two tabs: Explore and Define. Step 4. The Explore tab previews the information associated with the selected text from different online resources. Step 5. The Define tab contains the definition and pronunciation for the selected text. Tip: you can also open the Smart Lookup window by typing the word to be searched in Tell Me text box and select the Smart Lookup option from the drop-down list. Ink annotation. Office 2016 provides you with another amazing feature that enables you to annotate with ink, to write notes, create shapes, highlight a key concept, and much more. You can also convert the hand-drawn shapes to uniform geometric shapes by selecting them and then selecting Convert to Shapes. Handwriting text. To write notes in your own handwriting, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Review tab and click on the Start Inking option from the ink group. This will display the Pens tab with various ink tools. Step 2. By default, the pen option is selected in the right group. Choose a colored pen from the Pens group. Click on More drop-down arrow to view more options for your selection. Step 3. To change the ink color or thickness of the pen, click on the Color and Thickness option under the Pens group. Step 4. After selecting the ink options, you can write your notes with the help of a stylus, light pen or a mouse. Highlighting text. Follow the given steps to highlight the text in your presentation. Step 1. Select the highlighter tool in the right group on the Pens tab. Step 2. Choose a highlighter from the various options under the Pens group. Step 3. Drag your pen or stylus over the text that you want to highlight. Drawing in your presentation. To draw an object or a shape in your presentation. Step 1. From the Pens tab, select the Pen tool in the right group. Step 2. Choose a pen from the Pens group with appropriate color and thickness and draw an object or a shape. Step 3. To convert your ink-drawn shape into common geometric shapes, select the option Convert to Shapes in the Inked Art group on the Pens tab. Draw a shape and you will observe that it is automatically converted to a similar geometric shape. Convert to Shapes is a toggle button. Note: PowerPoint can convert only those drawings that look similar to common shapes. If it is not near to the geometric shape, drawing remains unaffected. Deleting the annotation. Step 1. Select the Eraser tool in the right group on the Pens tab. Step 2. Click on the required eraser type by clicking on the drop-down arrow of the Eraser option. Step 3. Move the eraser over the text or drawing that you want to erase. Selecting objects. The Lasso Select tool on the Pens tab allows you to select an object drawn by Pen tool. To select the object, Step 1. Choose the Lasso Select tool in the right group. Step 2. The pointer changes into plus symbol. Step 3. Drag the mouse to encircle the part that you want to select. A faded selection region appears around the object. While delivering your presentation to the audience, you may need to emphasize a word or phrase or make some explanatory notes on the slides. Slideshow view provides you with various options to annotate your presentation. To add ink annotation during the slideshow. Step 1. Right-click on the slide where you want the annotation pen to appear. Step 2. Select the pointer options from the context menu. Step 3. Now select the pen or highlighter option as desired. Change the color by selecting the ink color option and choosing the desired color from the palette. Step 4. Use pen or highlighter either to write or emphasize text. Similarly, you can use laser pointer features to highlight the key points on the slide. Unlike the pen and highlighter, the laser pointer will not leave any marks on the slide. Viewing a presentation. You can view presentation in different formats such as normal view, slide sorter view, and slideshow view, depending on the task at hand. Most of the view buttons are available in the presentation view group on the view tab. By default, a user works in normal view. Normal view. Normal view is the default and most often used view. This displays one slide at a time in the slide area. In normal view, you can add text, graphics, sound, animation, and other effects to your slide. It has 3 parts. You can have a large view of an individual slide. In slide navigation pane, all at the same time, click the thumbnail of a slide to view it in the slide pane. Step 1. To open this view, select the View tab and click on the Normal button from the Presentation View groups, or click on the Normal View button located at the bottom of the slide window. Outline View. The Outline View displays only the text on your slides. In the Outline pane, this view allows you to quickly edit the text on the slides and view the contents of all the slides at once. Use Outline View to create an outline or storyboard for your presentation. You can get to Outline View from the View tab on the ribbon. It displays the slide text in the Outline pane. Short keys. In PowerPoint 2013 and later, you can no longer get to Outline View from the Normal View. You will need to get it from the View tab. Slide Sorter View. It displays a miniature view of all the slides or a presentation in horizontally sequenced thumbnails. Slide Sorter View is helpful if you need to change the order of slides, insert or delete the slides, add transition and set the timings for the slideshow. Step 1. Select the View tab and click on the Slide Sorter button from the Presentation Views group. Step 2. All the slides of your presentation will be displayed in thumbnails with a thick border around the selected slide. Notes Page View. You can show or hide your notes with the Notes button at the bottom of the slide window, or you can get to Notes Page View from the View tab on the ribbon. Clicking on the Notes button will open a Notes box at the bottom of the slide. You can print your notes or include the notes in a presentation that you send to the audience, or just use them as indications for yourself while showing the presentation. Reading View. Using this view, you can view the presentation as a slideshow that fits within a window. It contains some buttons at the bottom right corner that allow you to navigate through your presentation and switch to other views. In this view, taskbar is also visible. To enter into the Reading View, either click on the Reading View button on the View tab or select the Reading View button at the bottom of the slide window. Slideshow View. The slideshow view is used when you deliver your presentation to audience. It is just like the pictures in a photo album. It displays all the slides in a presentation one by one on the full screen. You can select the Slideshow View button at the bottom of the slide window, or select the Slideshow tab. It displays commands that help you with various choices to run the presentation. You can use any one of the following options to run the slideshow. From beginning, start the slideshow from the first slide. From current slide, start the slideshow from the current slide. Present online. This feature broadcasts the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch it through web browser. Custom slideshow. It displays only the slides you select. You can also use F5 key to view the slideshow. Note: the present online feature requires a network service to host the slideshow. You can send the link URL of your presentation to your audience by an email. Rearranging slides. When a presentation is created, it is important to note that flow of content must be logical and it must be presented in an effective manner. You can rearrange the slides of a presentation in normal, outline, and slide sorter views. In normal view. Step 1. Open the presentation in normal view. Step 2. In the slides navigation pane, select the thumbnail of the slide and drag it to its desired position. In slide sorter view. Step 1. Open the presentation in slide sorter view. Step 2. Select the thumbnail of the slide to be moved and drag it to its desired location. In outline view. Step 1. Open the presentation in outline view. Step 2. Select the thumbnail from the outline pane and drag it. Create a new presentation. Step 2. Select the outline view from the presentation views group on the view tab. Step 3. In the outline pane, type special days for special people next to slide icon. Step 4. Now press the enter key. As you press the enter key, a new slide appears. Step 5. Type yoga day and press the enter key. A new slide appears. Right-click at the cursor position and click on the demote option. You will observe that the slide icon disappears and text moves to one level lower. Type the text as shown in the figure and press enter. Step 6. Now right-click again and choose the promote option from the context menu. A new slide appears. Step 7. Repeat the above two steps to enter information related to Mother's Day, Father's Day, Brother's Day, Sister's Day, and Friendship Day. Step 8. Bring the mouse pointer right next to the slide icon. Right-click at cursor position and select Collapse option from the shortcut menu. It will hide the bulleted text relevant to the selected slide and display only the slide title, whereas Collapse all hides the bulleted text for the outline of the entire presentation. Step 9. Now, right-click and select the Expand option from the context menu. It will reveal the bulleted text relevant to the selected slide, whereas Expand all reveals the bulleted text for the outline of the entire presentation. Advance your knowledge. To add any tool or menu on the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on the tool or command and select the Add to Quick Access toolbar option. The tool will be added on the Quick Access toolbar. Take a review. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to convey new ideas and important information effectively. The photo album is a feature that allows you to club your personal and business photographs together to use for a presentation. Ink equations option helps you in adding math equations into your presentation. Comments are a great way to provide feedback to others about their presentation. The Smart Lookup feature allows you to find the information for the selected word or phrase on the web using the search engine Bing. Office 2016 provides you with another amazing feature that enables you to annotate with ink, to write notes, create drawings, highlight a key concept, and much more. Normal view is the main editing view, which is used to write and design the presentation. The outline view displays only the text on your slides in the outline pane. Slide sorter view displays a miniature view of all the slides of a presentation. The outline view displays only the text on your slides in the outline pane. Slide sorter view displays a miniature view of all the slides of a presentation. Note page view is used to include notes to your presentation. Reading view displays presentation as a slideshow that fits within a window. Slideshow view displays all the slides in a presentation one by one on